guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back in. And for those of you who this is your first time meeting me, my name is Latoya Lewis. I am the interior designer behind LA Inspires. I also am LA Inspires on Instagram, so feel free to follow me there, as well as the blogger that is on www.lifeoflaw.net. So I hope you are ready for a treat. I get a lot of questions sometimes through DMs on Instagram and Facebook, also on my website, just trying to get some assistance as far as design is concerned. So what I decided to do is start a series, you guys, a little tutorial series is going to be able to help you out with those questions if you are unable to hire an interior designer. So today's design dilemma video is going to be about how to make your space feel larger. So we're going to talk about 4 tips in this video that is going to help you, that you'll be able to implement today, that's going to trick the eye. So by the end of this video, I want you guys to leave me a comment in the description box and let me know how big you think the spaces that you're going to see in this video today actually are. Oh yeah, and don't forget, sharing is caring. So make sure you like, comment, and share this post with your friends. They need this information. All right, let's get into it. 4 tips to make a small room or a small home look bigger. Number 1, use very light colors or dark neutrals to give your room depth. Medium to deeper shades can make your room appear smaller, but when you use bright whites or deep dark paint colors, you can create contrast, and that gives depth and illusion to a larger space. Number 2, hang your curtains high. Always hang them just below the ceiling so that your curtains will kiss the floor. That is like putting a stiletto heel on a room. Your ceilings are going to instantly look higher and your eyes will be drawn up. Number 3, use larger decorative accents instead of many small items. A lot of knickknacks will make your space feel cluttered and make your room feel smaller. So keep your groupings to 3 to 5. Number 4, display large-scale art or accessories. I know your first thought may be to do the exact opposite, but trust me, if you have a small room, you want to hang your wall decor in a larger scale. So if you plan on doing a gallery wall and you want to use small pieces, make sure you limit it to 1 wall. That way, it'll give your room some breathing room. And in this last bedroom, you can actually see all 4 of the tips that I've given you right here. I want you guys to leave me a comment in the description box and let me know what you think about the ceiling heights. How high do you think they are? Are they standard, or are these luxury type ceiling heights? Are you looking at something that's more of a 15-foot, 10-foot ceiling? Let me know. I realize that this information is second nature for some of you guys if you're a designer like myself, but if you're not, I wanted to pass along some tips that are going to be very helpful to you, and it's going to make it easy for you to implement these tips right now in your home to make your space feel a little bit bigger. All the links are going to be in the description box, so make sure you check that. Anything that I list in this video that you have any questions about should be listed down there. As always, thank you so much for watching, and you can follow me on any of my social medias at LA Inspires. If you like videos like these, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you have any comments or questions, pop them down below, and until next time, be inspired.